Okay, this video we use the part we made previously to make this assembly. Let's see how we can do it. And click New, click Assembly, click OK. And make sure each part second this unit is selected, and now click Browse. And browse to the folder where your part is saved. Let's click this angle setting hole. Okay, this part, put it here somewhere. Now we're going to insert component. I'm going to browse and to the hex standoff 1024. We're going to put here somewhere. Okay. And now you notice that is this one needs to line, this hole needs to line up with this hole. Click inside the surface of this hole and hit Control. Click inside the surface of this hole, release the Control, choose concentric. Now that is, if you rotate a little bit, and you can see that is this one, even the same axis, you can rotate, it can also move in and out. Okay, so what do you do? Click this surface, rotate it. Hit Control, click this bottom surface, and release your Control, choose coincident. Okay, now that is, you cannot move this out, but you can rotate this one. Okay, choose any plane, and hit Control, choose this plane, make it parallel. Now it is slide together parallel with this one. Now that is, this one is done. You cannot rotate it, also you cannot move in and out anymore. Okay. With the same, zoom out, rotate a little bit. We're going to put this on another one on the third hole. Go to Insert Component, browse to hexagon, hex standoff, click OK. I'm going to put it under the third one. We're going to do the same thing. Click inside of this circle, hit Control. Click inside of this circle, release, make it concentric, and rotate a little bit. So move this out. Click this surface, hit Control. Oh no, when I'm going to rotate it, so you can see this surface. Then hit Control and select this surface. Release Control, make it coincident. Now you can see you can still rotate this. Okay, select this surface, hit Control, and select this surface. Release Control, choose parallel. Now that this one is done. Okay. Next one, we're going to choose install this triangle. Insert component, browse, and choose this triangle part. Put it here somewhere in the back of this part. Okay. And now that is, we need to line up. We rotate this way so you can zoom in, so you can inside this circle. Click this one, hit Control, then click this slot. Okay, release Control and choose concentric. Now that is, if you rotate a little bit, okay, this one and this part share the same center, but you can rotate, you can also move in and out. Okay. So what I will do that is, I'm going to rotate a little bit so I can see this inside the surface, and do not hit Control yet, and then rotate it to the other side, and hit the Control and select this side, release the Control. Previously we used the coincident, and this one you can also choose the distance. If you want to keep certain distance, you can keep distance. If you want to keep no distance, just put a 0, and hit Enter. Now that you can see that is, click the green check. Now if you move that is I cannot move in out anymore, but I can rotate this. Okay, now I'm going to rotate this object so you can see the other side of this object. Okay, now I'm going to click this surface and hit Control and click the bottom surface. Okay, release Control, choose parallel. Now that is choose isometric view. Now you can see this part cannot move anymore. Okay, we finish this one. Next, we're going to put some screw in. And to put a screw in, we have we can go through the same process as we put this nuts on. And we can also have some other processes. Okay, so let's click Open. We're going to open the screw file. Okay, I'm going to go to Windows. I'm going to select Tile Vertical. So you will be able to see two files. Once again, that is because I have a thread open, I'm going to close this one. Okay. Now that is, I'm going to maximize this. Okay. Now I'm going to do it one more time. Click Windows. Choose Tile Vertical. Now we have a tool. Okay. So what I'm going to do that is I'm going to zoom into this. I'm going to be careful. Okay. Otherwise it's going to take you some time. Be careful. Zoom in really close like this. Okay. You can see this circle right here. Now I want to click the bottom edge of the cap of the top and drag that into the other space and put your cursor on top of that circle. It fill in right in. Okay, it do that automatically. So that's easy job. So otherwise you have to choose the concentric, choose the coincidental, and so on and so forth. Okay, now this one is done. Let's zoom into the other end. And okay, from this circle, make sure you zoom close enough. Okay, click the bottom edge of this screw and hold on to it and drag put into the other one. Do the match for you automatically. Okay, and we're going to put a screw here, and I'm going to rotate this so you can see this one clear. I'm going to put a screw right here. Okay, zoom in a little bit. Okay, I'm going to click the bottom edge and I'm going to put it here somewhere. Okay, no, not I want it. Here we go. Okay, put in the right place exactly you want it. Okay, now I'm going to put another. Okay, now we're going to put it into this one. Make sure we zoom in close enough and click the bottom of the top edge and drop it in and make sure. Okay, if you put a head right in, that's what we wanted. And now let's zoom out. Okay, and let's minimize this one. Let's maximize this one and go to isometric view. And that's essentially what we wanted, the assembly. Everything's done. So we're going to go to File, go to Save As. Make sure that you navigate through the process you want it, and the folder you want it, and click Include All Reference Point. Then click Save. Okay. In order to let me give a name. Save as. This is called a front assembly. And select Include all reference component. Click Save. Okay, in order to upload the tutorial, you have to use Pack and Go. Okay, I'm gonna go to File, click Pack and Go, Once again, that include the files over there, and click Save to Zip File, and make sure you browse to the folder you want it. And if this is not the folder you want it, and you need to browse to the folder you want it. And this folder I wanted is here and over here. So I'm going to put that as front assembly, front support. It's fine either way, the name is fine. Click Save. Okay, that's the folder, and click Save. And if you go to the folder, and I should have front support as a zip file, compressed zip file. So this one can be uploaded to Git.ll. And I will see you in the next video.